In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the YouTube notifications for all the newly uploaded videos or any kind of statuses or any kind of events or polls if anyone of your favorite YouTuber has published that. Let's see how we can enable those notification settings so that you can get updated or all the newly updated videos and polls and posts and so on. So what you need to do is just head over to the profile icon and click on the top right hand corner and click on the settings. In the settings, we click on the notification sections under the settings. And from here, you can adjust all the notifications that you want to receive, whether you're using the desktop browser to access YouTube, you get the notifications in this browser. You click on allow. And similarly, if you want to get notified about the recommended videos, mentions, promotional content and offerings, subscriptions and so on, you can turn it on. Similarly, you scroll down to turn on some of the email notifications according to your preference and your choices. And that is pretty much all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.